What's good, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. All right, guys, today I want to talk to you all about a tool called the Harmonic Scanner. Now, for those of you who've been trading for a while, you're probably familiar with some form of a harmonic scanner. For those of you who are not, I want to talk a little bit about what it is. I'm going to share with you the one that I've personally been utilizing for the past 6 years. Guys, a harmonic scanner, I want to keep it simple. I'm not going to get into all of the technical terms of it and the things about it. But it's a tool, right? It's a tool that is utilized for those of us who are in the trading market, if you use it to help make your trading life easier, right? At least the one I personally use. It's a semi-automatic tool that does part of the heavy lifting for you, right? Where it takes some of the guesswork out of trading, where it's gonna spit out entries, take profits and stop loss levels for you based off of a sequence of what are called different harmonic patterns. Now, there are different harmonic patterns that use mathematical equations dealing with Fibonacci and things like that, right? So again, I don't want to get super technical about it, but the harmonic sequences are designed to be able, obviously you can't predict the market, but to give you the best possible setup on trades that you can potentially take based off of different pairs, be it for Forex, be it for indices, and different metals, whatever you are trading, right? So it goes through a different number of mathematical sequences where it spits out these different patterns. The patterns can be what's called a bat pattern, a shark pattern, just to name a couple of them, right? And now, based off of its calculation, it gives you potential high probability trade setups for you to be able to take to get into the market. And you can go in off of those patterns and utilizing, for some, you can just go right off the pattern. And when it tells you that gives you the potential entry, you can get in the market. Or if you have a specific strategy that you use, you can take your strategy and enter the market utilizing the harmonic scanner. So what I want to do really quickly, I want to shift gears and share with you the one that I personally go here. Where's my Chrome tab? Okay, so here we go. So again, guys, I've been using this scanner for now 6 years, man. This scanner, the company I'm a part of, the creator of the scanner was created 20 years ago from the co-founder and CEO of the company that I utilize to learn trading through, right? A company called IM Mastery Academy. Okay, so this scanner has spit out a lot of winning trades. So is it perfect? No. Is every trade going to be a W? No, but it's highly accurate. And when you look at what you're able to do with it and what you're able to utilize with it through the different scans, it's a beautiful thing. So just imagine, like I said, being able to have a tool, right, that you can utilize. And this tool is taking a lot of the guesswork out for you. You come in here, again, these are the different harmonic patterns. What I love about it, it shows you right here, this is GBPCAD. This is a shark pattern right from a day ago. And if you look at this trade, let me expand this a little bit. If you look at this trade, right, based off of this pattern, it formed this pattern here and it started here from this X, and it has different highs and lows, different things like that, right? But based off of here, it gave you two entries on this trade potentially, right? This is a buy. Obviously, anything if you look at it, you're going long, a bullish trade, your potential take profit levels are going to be above your entry levels, and your stop loss will be low. So if you look at this trade right here, it had two different entries of where you could potentially get in the trade at, three different levels where you can profit from it, and then a level of where if the trade went against you, it was a stop loss, it was a loss, right? But this trade was a win. It literally blew through all of these different take profit levels. So if you would have just took this trade just off the first entry it gave right here, and based off a stop loss, it went through the take profit 3 level. So let's just hypothetically, I just want to share with you, if you took this, right? If you took it for a long position, let's say you entered right here, what you see if it did, it bounced off, it literally touched the entry level and went up where there was no drawdown, right? So if you did that and let's say the stop loss was right here, right? Look like there was a stop of about, let's say 44, 45 pips, and your take profit 3 level was right up here, about 100 or so pips. You're looking at a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. That was a very good trade that you could have made some potential nice profit on. And what I love about this scanner, right? So what I love about the scanner is that it's constantly spitting out and printing out patterns for you to be able to take. And you're able to get alerts from these patterns directly to your email, to your phone, to let you know when a new pattern has formed. And you can do it all for the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 30 minute, the 15 minute. And again, you have it for Forex, for excuse me, for current, for, oh, timed out on me. Give me 1 second. You have it for excuse me, for Forex pairs, right? For your currency pairs, but you also can utilize it for exotics, for indices, and also for commodities. Then there's also a crypto version of it as well. So this is one of my absolute favorite tools to use, and I have a 3-step strategy that I utilize for the harmonic scanner, which I'll be talking about in another video. But even inside the scanner, right? Let me go back here. There are different types of indicators, guys. When you look at indicators, there are so many indicators out there that you can utilize, but they fall into 4 different groups. You're either going to have a volume indicator, of a volatility indicator, excuse me, a trend indicator, and a momentum indicator, right? And the indicators are already embedded in here, keeping it super simple on just matching up colors to help give you extra confirmation, utilizing indicators to get into a trade. Then, there are other strategies in here, pitchforks, pro harmonics, ignite. So there are so many different ways for you to be able to utilize this tool that works best for you and how you're trading. Okay. So when you look at this tool, again, the it's been around for 20 plus years, and inside of this company has been a flagship product of the company for the past 10 years, and it's been a favorite tool of so many people, including myself. So just wanted to share with you all a little bit of harmonic scanner, guys, utilizing semi-automation to help make life easier, to where you don't have to go guess and look for potential trades to take, potential pairs. You got them right here. Look at all of these scans that are printed out, and tapping that in. This is the 1 hour. If you're scalping, you go down to the 15 minute, what have you, you know, whatever that works best for you and your style of trading, and utilize this and be able to get into the markets to potentially make yourself some money with a sound strategy. All right, guys. So I hope you all got some value from this. And if you want to learn more about using the harmonic scanner, there's also a complete segment dedicated inside the academy, to where you have specific educators that teach exclusively on utilizing harmonic scanner. So if you want to learn more about that, simply go to tradewithed.com. All right, hope you got some value from this video, guys. And if you want to learn more, you can definitely shoot me a message, and we'll go from there. Thanks for your time. I will talk to you all later. Take care. Have a great day.